I am Apostle Dr. Frank NWACHOKOR, the privileged God's servant over God's Divine Fire Ministries. I want to use this opportunity to celebrate a general, my father, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman, on the occasion of his birthday. Daddy, I want to say a very big thank you to you. You picked us from nowhere, took us somewhere, and today we join the host of heaven to say happy birthday to you, God's general. Your generation is waiting for you. Your impact is massive, but this is just the beginning. Daddy, we love you. Happy birthday.